Hi, welcome to Motorcycles UK. Today I'd like to show a short video about this absolutely terrific Triumph Speed Twin. Here we have a Triumph Speed Twin 1200. This is a 2022 bike on a 22 plate with just 8,224 miles, one owner from new and a full service history. This bike's in excellent condition and comes in the very nice red and silver paint scheme. All the paintwork there in excellent condition, as you can see. There's no damage to the bar end mirrors, the levers, or the bar ends there. The standard seat is in excellent condition as well, with no rips or tears, and the rear suspension, no sign of any corrosion or any damage there either. The standard exhausts again are unmarked, and the engine shows no signs of any drop damage whatsoever. No paint flaking off, no blistering up of any paint there at all, and the exhaust there, the headers, all in great condition as well. The bike also features data tag security marking. The chain sprockets, which of course are on the wrong side, this being a Bonneville, are in excellent condition as well, and the rear wheel, no dings, dents, scuff, scrapes or scratches, and the rear tyre, plenty of life left in that one there. Back mudguard, all good as well. Got those rubber knee pads there and the tank pad on the back of the tank as well. The front forks, upside down forks on this Speed Twin, and they're all in great condition. And the front wheel, as you can see there, no dings, dents, scuff, scrapes or scratches there. And the front mudguard in great condition as well. The front tyre, loads of life left in that one there. In fact, both tyres on this bike in great condition. No stone chips or damage to the headlamp. And the left-hand side of the bike is all in great condition as well, as we will see. Bar end mirrors and the levers and the bar ends, again, all unmarked. The forks, all good as well. Of course, the bike just looks like an old bike. It's got anti-lock brakes and a couple of rider modes as well. No damage to the engine on this side either, and the exhaust there all in great condition. Petrol tank absolutely in tip-top order, as is the side panel and the exhaust silencer. Foot peg and rear shock absorber. The rear wheel on this side again, all good, with no signs of any damage at all. The top of the bike, no rips or tears in the seat, as we said. There's a tank pad there. Monza fuel cap as well, and a mix of digital and analog for your dials. So if you are looking for a fantastic modern classic, look no further than this stunning Triumph Speed Twin 1200. Here at Motorcycles UK, all our bikes come with the current MOT, a service if required by the motorcycle at time of sale, and a thorough safety inspection. We're also delighted to be able to offer nationwide delivery. Please contact us for a quote. If you're interested in this terrific Triumph, then please do get in touch, either by phone or via the website. We'd be delighted to take your inquiry. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd really appreciate that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.